This is a John Deere L110, replacing the rear tires. Get right to it. You have a clamp right here. Sometimes you'll have a dust cover on here. You just pop that off. It's rubber. Take your flathead, and I'm back here where there's not a lot of grass at all. So if you were, I would probably put like a towel or something over this, or put your other hand over the top while you go ahead and release this retaining clamp right here. All you have to do is, you can see I'm only using one hand. You just twist your flathead in, remove it. There it is. Washer. When you take this wheel off, just make sure that you watch for any other washers which might be back here. So I'm about to try to do this with one hand. Let's see if that's gonna pick out. It's coming. Do with what you got. I'm literally just hitting the back of this thing. Some of you might be thinking to yourself, why is it taking so long? Jeez. Well, because I'm using a cinder block with a piece of wood. That's why it's taking so long. Not in my nice garage or anything like that. Got all these professional tools. But I'm dedicated to still getting the job done. That's what I'm going to do. There you go. There's that wonderful washer there I was telling you about. Anyways, I'm doing a direct replacement of the entire hub assembly. So, yeah, the wheel and the tire assembly. Sorry, not the hub. But probably going to get some more grease, pop it on there, because I don't feel like doing this a lot. Alright, have a great day.